I think some of them have sent me the mail. One is Punithavalli and another one is Deepa S. Is both of them were here? No. Anyone is willing to take seminar, ma? No. Okay. So today, how many of you having the system? Yeah, tell me, Harshavardhan.
Will take ma'am now.
Will you take now?
Okay.
Yes, man. Speak
Yes, ma'am.
loudly.
I will.
Okay. Whether you are having your PPT with you now?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay. I will allow you to share. And then you can share and take. Um, now I think you can able to share. You just kindly share your PPT. நான் record பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன்.
Visible, ma'am.
Yeah, visible, Harshavardhan. Yeah,
Ma'am,
visible.
please.
இல்ல 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 இல்ல. Yeah, tell me, ma.
And this is about earthquake analyzer, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Earthquake analyzer. The students who are listening, who are in the class, kindly listen. Okay, he is going to take one topic, and today we will have an interactive session. So we will see the embedded applications and how it is working. So one of the application Harshavardhan will explain. Okay, ma. Yeah, start.
And this is used by sensor, ma'am. With the sensor, we are sensing that earthquake intensity, the earthquake capacity, and what is the frequency of the earthquake happen, ma'am. In that way, this is the vibrator sensor, ma'am, used in the earthquake machine. And,
Harshavardhan, you kindly put your slideshow. From current slide, you click it, or from beginning. Uh, yeah. Now you tell me.
and this is a vibrator used in that earthquake sensor, ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
That and this is a blocked construction and block diagram of earthquake. In
Yeah.
this, we are using the microcontroller PC6773,
Mm,
which is attached with the vibrator sensor and
mm.
LCD display.
Mm.
And with that LCD display, we can measure, ma'am, that frequency or getting. I mean that frequency will draw on graph, ma'am.
Okay.
And with that and it is connected to the Wi-Fi router, and it is spread the message. It is connected to the phone number of a particular consumer. The particular is there,
Web browser, in particular
yeah,
web browser, it will be updated.
updated.
Okay, ma.
And this is the graph is drawn between each and minute and minute,
Okay.
and it is a graph drawn between magnitude and time frequency.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah. When yeah, you go to the graph, ma.
Hmm.
So it will goes beyond the limit. The peak
Yeah, ma'am.
should will be high.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
it should be.
yeah. Then on previous graph, ma. Previous slide. Yeah. People. Then one more slide. One more slide. Yeah, I think this is vibration sensor. So
Yes, ma'am.
people kindly look up on that vibration sensor. So there they will fix it on the below ground, I think so.
Yes, ma'am. And then it
Okay.
is portable, ma'am. It is, you can put anywhere.
Okay, where you will mount this vibration sensor, ma?
Hmm?
Where you will fix this vibration sensor?
In the
In the
ground,
ground
ma'am.
level.
Yeah, ma'am. In the ground.
Ground. Okay, okay, okay. Next diagram, ma? Illa, next one. Your yeah. So I think people can understand. He have taken a very good topic, earthquake detector. Okay, and even our country is not facing such a problem, but even it is happening in and around. But the thing is, he have explained that vibration sensor is the input for the microcontroller that he sought. So when the vibration sensor has a high magnitude, what happened? It will activate the PIC microcontroller. So the PIC microcontroller will display the value, and we all know how to transmit to the particular web browser. So he used the one more microcontroller, that is Raspberry Pi. So through transmission he had received, and through Ethernet I told you it's a one of the LAN cable where I can connect to the Wi-Fi router, and through that it will displayed on the particular web browser. Very good, Amrita Harshavardhan.
Thank you.
I think this I have learned today a new earthquake detector, and you have explained well. Very nice, ma. Okay, stop sharing. Yeah, good. Anyone today? No, Deepa and one more girl have sent. No, Punitavalli. I think you have
Yes,
sent you.
ma'am.
Are you ready, Punitavalli?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will share your thing. Uh, mm, yeah, now can you able to visible? Can you able to see,
Yes,
ma?
ma'am.
Yeah, start.
Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to explain fingerprint-based security system using 8051. It can be used at many places like industries, offices, and colleges, or even our at home. Fingerprint sensor is the main part of the system. It makes use of biometric sensor to detect fingerprint. It is also called as biometric sensor. Fingerprint sensor uses various type of techniques like ultrasonic method, optical method, or thermal technique. We have seen password-based security system, RFID-based security system. The main feature or specialty of fingerprints is that it is unique. Fingerprint identification is used since a long time. Most common example is used in the criminal cases. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am.
Yeah, I will move, ma.
Yes, ma'am. This is for fingerprint module. Ma'am, next step. How does fingerprint scanner works? Fingerprint is a pattern made up of ridges and valleys on our fingertip skin. While storing the entry in database, scanner takes an image of these patterns and stores in its own memory. And then while performing such operation, it gain takes pattern of fingerprint of that user who needs to gain access. This pattern is compared with all patterns previously stored in memory. In short terms, it performs a task which is related to digital image processing. It performs various iteration and executes matching algorithms. And if it finds exact match, then it gives out a fingerprint ID number. Otherwise, it gives out error signal. Next slide. Some block diagram. So important blocks of the system: fingerprint sensor, microcontroller, LCD display, and buzzer keypad. First of all, we go for fingerprint sensor. We have used R305 fingerprint sensor. It has an optical biometric fingerprint reader. It also has inbuilt flash memory. It performs the function of image processing and gives out data on its output pin. Next one, microcontroller. We are going to use a microcontroller of 8051 families. The various function of microcontroller are like, first one, reading various digital input signals from fingerprint sensor. Second one, sending this data to LCD so that the person operating this project should understand the status. Third one, giving the respective signal to the various output devices. Next one, sending the data to the computer using the serial port. And this data consists of the status of valid or invalid access. Next one, LCD display. We have used a 32 alphanumeric liquid crystal display, which means it can display alphabets along with the numbers on two lines, each containing 16 characters. Next one, buzzer. We are going to use a buzzer to indicate the invalid access to open the door. Next one, keypad. User will enter various commands using the keypad. Various keys of the keypad are as following. First one, add fingerprint entry. search fingerprint. Next one, empty the database of fingerprint module. So the application of fingerprint-based security system is industrial application, home or domestic application, bank lockers or security safes. So the advantages: fingerprint-based security system is the most secure system as compared to other systems. Using fingerprint saves time to gain access as compared to other methods like RFID card, password, or key. That's it, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Punindavalli. You have explained well. She have
Welcome.
explained fingerprint based sensor, and she had taken the image of how the fingerprint sensor will be there, and she have explained the block diagram very beautifully. If fingerprint sensor identified, it will open the door automatically through the relay, and if not so, it will indicate the buzzer, and it is also computer interfaced. Okay, so very well explained, Punindavalli. And any more have to explain, ma? Any more is willing to take now? I think Deepa yes have sent me the PPT to me. Now she's not available. Okay, ma. Okay, actually the strength is today 19. Actually, comparatively better. Okay, but yesterday I gave you. How many of you are using now system, ma? Kindly raise your hands alone. How many of you using the system? Please raise your hands. Harshavardhan one. How many of you having using system? Only one student. Hey Jayprakash, yesterday you have asked me. Jayprakash two. Then only two of you. Others are using phone, amma. Only two students. Yes. Okay, okay. Jayprakash can lower your hands. Okay. Whether whether I will take class or okay. So today I will explain you how to do your Arduino interface in online. It's a open source software. Okay. Actually, one more thing. Actually, it is a open source software. So I think I will share you the screen first. Can you able to see now? I am opening www.google.com. Is it visible, ma? Kindly tell because I will change the tab oftenly. Now, what screen you are seeing, ma?
Google tab.
Google tab. Okay, then even though it is changing, the tab won't change. So please, you have to search Tinkercad. I think you take the notes. Or okay, you have to type Tinkercad. Okay, it's a open source. So I'm saying so many things, and she's saying fingerprint sensor, and somebody is explaining earthquake, online protection, ultrasonic sensor, everything they were explaining. But you want to do it in a real time, going and purchasing the equipments and all, it's not possible for us. So online itself we have a tool that will help you. But here the microcontroller we will use will be Arduino microcontroller. Okay, they were supporting only Arduino microcontroller. So you have a Tinkercad. Are you clear? Then you go to the Tinkercad menu. Click. Okay. So here, if you want to, actually, I have signed in as Shadana Murugan. If you want to create that, you have to choose Tinkercad login. Okay, login Tinkercad. You have the option. Is clear, ma? In login Tinkercad, if you have a Gmail ID, that is enough. No other thing is needed. So you give login with Google. Okay, I will sign out here and I will explain you. Okay. Are you listening, ma? You please note it. Okay. So once again, type Tinkercad. I think you can write the spelling, then only you can understand. So once you get the menu, tinkercad.com, it will be navigate to tinkercad.com. Sign in, join now will be there. Okay, join now. If you give, you have to give a students as a join, or create a personal account. Okay, so create a personal account in sense means, if you give, sign in with Google only, they will ask, are you clear or not? So while giving that, you just go, only the requirement is you have to have a Gmail ID, not else. Okay, so click on the sign in button there, give sign in with Google, then automatically your account will be created. So I'm having I have navigated with this once again. It's a problem. Okay, so now it is signed in as a particular mail ID. So you always need what, ma? In creating Tinkercad, you have to have a which mail ID? Which mail ID, ma? Which mail ID? Ijad Ahmad. Ijad,
On the message. Yes, ma'am.
which mail ID you require for to join in Tinkercad? Which mail you need, ma? You're not listening.
No, ma'am. Listening only, ma'am. Mail ID listen பண்ணல, ma'am.
Which என்ன mail ID தேவைன்னு
Last
சொன்னேன்?
PPT எல்லாம் listen பண்ணி தான் இருந்தேன்.
See, to join Tinkercad, it's an online tool, free tool. I'm
Yes,
just
ma'am, yes,
explaining. Okay, you need only your Gmail ID. Once you have a Gmail, sign in with Gmail. That's it. Okay. So once
Okay.
you sign in, unmute your mic, ma.
Ma'am, I need your mail ID, ma'am. I created the PPT which I'm going to explain tomorrow, ma'am. I'll send you.
Okay, I told you pushpavalli.triple@satyabama.ac.in.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, pushpavalli.triple@satyabama.ac.in. So students, listen, this I am teaching and it's a real time thing for you. Jay Prakash, or else how I have to create this. So now what I am going to do now, actually, okay, give circuits. Are you clear, ma? Click on the menu. You have so many menu on there. 3D design, circuits, code blocks are there. Click on circuits. In the circuit, create a new circuit. You click. Okay. So can you able to view the window, ma? Can you able to view or not? Students? Yeah. Yeah. I think you can note it down. Even you can do it in free time. Create a new circuit. So here you have all menu, all items are there. You have in the component, if you press all, you will get all the component. What are the component, ma? Resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode, okay, and photoresistor, ultrasonic sensor, gas sensor. So many sensors are available. Okay, can you see or not? All the components are available. Okay, so first, what is this experiment we are going to do now? I am going to connect only this experiment, ma. Okay, this I am going to need. So what is this experiment now? I will explain you, then I will do the simulation. You just see, this is my ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so what is the use of ultrasonic sensor, ma? Anyone tell? What is the use of ultrasonic sensor? Students, kindly tell me, ma, what is the use of ultrasonic sensor?
Ma'am, it will have a receiver and emitter, no, ma'am. So like
It
the
will
rate.
mainly measure the distance. I told you, in car parking, reverse car parking, we are using ultrasonic. It will detect the object which is very closer. So you just see, this is my range of ultrasonic sensor. You just see, if I move my object, you can down, you can see it is displaying in inch and centimeter. Now what is the centimeter, ma? 314 centimeter. Now the centimeter get reduced. Now if it is close to the sensor, you have seen that. Can you able to hear the sound, ma? Okay, that means this is piezoelectric sensor which is creating the sound alarm that my object is very close to my system, and automatically the LED also gone on. So when it go beyond that, then automatically it will stops. Okay, so this is the experiment we are going to do in online now. Are you clear? So ultrasonic sensor is nothing but a distance sensor. Actually, I told you in car reverse parking used. One of your friend have explained this ultrasonic sensor. She have explained that if automatically a robot is moving, if any object is detected, then automatically it will move on left or right, depend where the object is located. The same way, the ultrasonic sensor will detect. See, you if I move here, it's not a problem, but with come very closer, then automatically you can see the sound will be there and LED will be on, but it goes beyond any limit, there is no. So this is the area where ultrasonic sensor will detect the object. Are you clear, ma'am? Now we are going to do this experiment only. So what I have to do, what are the thing needed for this experiment, we have to look up. Okay, so first I'm going to take the breadboard. Yes, is it visible for you, ma? Now the screen is visible. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. I will take the breadboard. Okay. Hmm. I need only one breadboard, so I will delete the one more one. I think the breadboard is become very big. I will reduce the size, ma. I can reduce it. So I think in real time also, what we have done in the lab, the same thing we can connect it here. Hmm. After breadboard, what is the next we need now? Ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so we will search ultrasonic sensor. Okay, this is my ultrasonic sensor. So I will fix my ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor, you have only three things: ground, 5 volt, and it will detect the signal. Okay, and then I need Arduino processor. Okay, because this is especially having Arduino. So Arduino UNO. This is the microcontroller I'm going to connect. Okay, this is my Arduino microcontroller. I will delete one micro. Actually, I'm getting two. Okay. After Arduino microcontroller, I need one LED, because if my object is very closer, it will identify. So I'm searching one LED. I think I'll got my LED. Okay, I will fix my LED. Okay, and one more thing, I need a piezoelectric sensor. So it will create the vibration whenever the object comes very closer. So piezoelectric sensor, and one resistor I need. Okay, so one resistor I need. So these are all of them, all my component. Are you clear, ma? Hmm, I think the screen is. Sorry, undo. Okay, actually the image become very big. I think so. So I will reduce the size of the image. So this will always zoom to fit. Okay. Okay. So now how I am going to connect. Okay. Now you just see we have a 5 volt and ground. Okay, so ground, I will take the pin. How we will connect now? So I will take and connect my ground to this pin. Okay, ground now, my wire should be always in black. So I will choose the black color. So I will get black wire. Now 5 volt. 5 volt, I will connect it in red. Okay, so then the ground one. You all know breadboard connection and all. So I am not going to explain that and all. So red. So I have connected my ground and there, but I have to power it from my Arduino microcontroller. So you just look up Arduino. We have a ground pin. Ground pin. I'm going to connect with same ground pin of ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so I'm using this, and here you just see black. Are you clear? Okay, next I have to connect with my 5 volt pin. So you just go through this, and I'm going to connect with my 5 volt pin. Okay, so you just see it is red. Okay, so I have connected my Arduino microcontroller with the ultrasonic sensor, that is supply wire and ground wire given. Okay, and now the next one is I have to give my triggering pulse, PWM pulse. So here Arduino I have in the 7th pin. These are all the digital pin you all see, and any pin I can take. Okay, so there I am directly connect to the uh, so even the wire is crossly connected, it's not a problem. The mainly you have to connect. Okay, so I'm connecting with the PWM pulse. Okay, next I have to connect my LED as well as my piezoelectric sensor, because my piezoelectric sensor will create a thing. So okay, now anode and cathode LED, we have a two option, anode and cathode. So the same way how we are going to connect. So you just see ground, it's easy. We are going to directly connect ground to ground, cathode to cathode. But anode, I'm going to connect with the D9th pin, data pin. Okay, so how we will say port na, the similar way. So here I have a two wire. This is my negative wire. So negative wire is directly connect to the ground pin. Are you clear? I think Arduino I have connected. Ground means I am always using black wire. So you just see here we have a cathode. Cathode also connected to the ground pin. So you have seen this is also black. Are you clear, ma? Then I have to connect the positive end of the piezoelectric sensor. So through a resistor we will connect. Why? Because now for protection we are using. So I'm just connecting here, and this is my which data pin, 9th data pin I'm connecting, because I have written the coding like that. That's why I have writing. So this is where what color I have to use, ma? Red. Even though you use green color, it's not a problem. So to understand the difference only I have used. Now you connect my LED directly with the pin. So whenever the object is closer, just see from anode to red. Okay, no, yeah, okay. So this is also I will keep red. Even if you keep in a green, it's not a problem. It's only the wire color only I have differentiated. Okay, so this is the thing. Next code, actually, code, I will tell you how. After explaining the program, I will tell you how. Control C. So I have taken my code, and I have here I have the option of code. So code, you have to choose text, only text. That means I'm going to type only the code. So automatically it will generate the code, but I have given the code here. So once you press, automatically the code will go off. Why? Because now I have to get the output. That's why I'm moving down. Okay, ma. Now I have to start simulation. Okay, so once it run, it have a simulated time. So now you have seen this is my ultrasonic sensor position. So you just see whenever it comes nearer, it will creating the sound. When it goes beyond the limit, the LED will off, as well as piezoelectric sensor won't create any sound. So, but at the same time, just see, but it goes beyond, there is no sound. Okay, now we will see what is the coding we have written. I think here the coding they have written as assembly C language. All you understand well. So here we have seen that plus V volt, plus 5 volt is connected to plus 5 volt of Arduino. Ground is connected to that. Then these are the digital pins we were connecting 7. Okay. Now I told you that my ping pin. That means whenever it will identify the object that is connected to the 7th pin, then LED light and a piezoelectric sensor is connected to the 9th pin. That means constantly I have connected. That I am begin. Okay. And to set up the serial communication, we have a option of initializing the serial communication. Okay. So now the main thing is I have to create a delay. That is whenever my pin mode, the ping pin means what? LED pin, not LED pin, the distance measuring pin. Okay, ping. So whenever the ping has to be short or low, depending upon the distance only it will come. So first we have to measure the distance. Actually these are in seconds, that we have to convert into centimeter. Okay, you have seen that all are coding only. So once the distance is there, first it will measures in you have seen that we have a two kind of measuring. Okay, so when you start simulation, you just see this ping is nothing but it is measuring in inch as well as in centimeter. So when it comes closer, the object is on. When it goes beyond the limit, there is no. So the same way, it will measure in inch as well as in centimeter. So when it will turn on now, if it's centimeter less than 100 centimeter comes, automatically the LED pin will become high. Then automatically what happen? LED pin will glow. Or else if it is go beyond, we all know the C statement, if else statement. The same way, if the distance is more than 100 centimeter, the LED will be always off only. So delay is nothing but 100 millisecond or microsecond. How we will write the subroutine program? That is not needed here. So automatically I can write delay. Okay. So here similarly the same concept is here. Okay. So ping pin. Whenever the ping pin is low or high, depending upon that, the piezoelectric sensor will create the sound. So I think I will go to the simulation and you can see that. Wait. Uh, okay, I think now I will start. So now you just see this is my value. So when it goes above 100 centimeter, there is no effect on piezoelectric and LED. But when it comes below 100 centimeter, automatically the LED is glowing and piezoelectric sensor is making noise. So this is the surveillance of the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, this is the maximum surveillance. So beyond that, it won't respond. Beyond that, it won't respond. So only thing is it will, this is the surveillance of the ultrasonic sensor, and automatically when it goes comes near 100 centimeter, it will creating the noise as well as the LED is on. Yes, students, have you understand? Jay Prakash,
Yes, ma'am.
have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
seen this? Have you seen this
Yes.
working of ultrasonic sensor with LED and piezoelectric?
Yes, ma'am. When it comes nearby the Is it near to
No,
the
yeah,
sensor?
that's and all correct, man. But you know how to use the Tinkercad. So my advice is uh, give search Tinkercad in website. I think all of you may ask, ma'am, where the coding is available. You have to understand that coding is ready-madely available in the thing. I think I will show you another one. Okay. Now I will show you some of the examples. People, kindly, when you are free, you can kindly simulate. All the codings are readily available there. Okay. I think now can you able to see this, ma? Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I will take you another one example. Okay. A PIR sensor, proximity sensor. So whenever we say now automated and all, this is project is also automated. I think can you able to view this, ma? Copy of fan system with a PIR sensor. Can you all see? Can you able to see this, ma? Can you able to see or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, proximity sensor, PIR sensor. So I will start my simulation. You can see how it is working. Okay, proximity sensor also. Whenever you enter into the home, the light will on, fan will on. We were saying now. This is a simulation where you are seeing that. So this is PIR sensor. Okay, I think I will reduce the size. Okay. Only thing is the problem is in size only. So I will reduce the size. Yeah, I will keep the proximity sensor here. Oh my God. Mm, mm. Okay, I will keep here, ma. Now I will start simulation. So you people understand that. Um, think. So whenever mm, so whenever it goes inside the limit, I think you can see this. Whenever my object is enter into the limit only, the fan begin to rotate. Have you all seen this? Mm. Whenever it comes inside the limit, have you seen? The fan begin to rotate. Okay, when it goes beyond the limit, the fan will stops. When it comes inside, the fan begins to rotate. How we were saying the concept. Whenever it identifying the object, it will rotate now. The same way is working here. But when you go through this project, uh, when you go through this project, you can see the value. Okay, so when it goes inside this, I think there is a problem on viewing. If it goes inside this limit, then automatically I will open one more time. Wait. Okay, I think so many Arduino. You just search Tinkercad gallery of things in your website. Sorry, in your Google, go to Tinkercad gallery of things. When you search that, you will get so many projects and coding. So you can do it whatever you want to do, and all you can do it. Okay, so you just see, we have a various applications are there. Load more designs you give, it will more designs will be there. So I think you have all type of available is there. So line following robot, I think I will take this. There's a problem on that. So please kindly search line following robot. Are you clear? So after that you click on simulate, you click on the simulate button. Once you press the simulate button, you wait, automatically my tinker circuit diagram as well as tinker code will work. So you have seen that what is the line following, how it is working. Line following robot is based on the inexpensive robot. Okay, so while what happened now, one of your classmates have explained the same way. So where it will the two led left to turn and illuminate the surface that robot moves on, and the right is reflected back to the two photoresistors. So the voltage across them are compared and turning on the motor to push the robot forward and turn it on to follow a line on the ground. So line follow a robot, the same concept only they were saying. So you just I'll go to the circuit diagram. So many things you can do with the help of Tinkercad. So my god. I think there is a problem. Click on simulate. It's line following robot. So many things are available. Multiplexing, Arduino, and one more thing is about lamp control, adder circuit. Okay, binary games and all. Fan system. This I have explained you. Fan system with. I will open this time. What is the problem? I don't know. Okay. Now you just see start simulation. I think it's not working. So okay, line following robot is not working. Okay, this is the fan system I have explained you. So people today, the main thing is we have seen how to operate with the Tinkercad. So this I have explained you. I think the line following robot is not working. Yeah, it's working only. I don't know. We'll check one more time. It's not, I think so. Okay, but here when I am working on this I have explained you. So whenever it comes inside the limit, then automatically fan will rotate. That already we have seen. This is my object. So you see the fan is start rotating. Okay, when it goes out, the fan will stops. So this is nothing but fan related project. Okay, I will show you. Hmm. Okay, this is the PIR sensor. The same thing, this PIR sensor, what it will do now, it will measure the distance. Then automatically there I have explained with you now, the LED is gone. So the here the same way. I think the problem is there. So today we have seen how to see with the ultrasonic sensor, how to use the PIR sensor and all. Okay, zoom to fit. So here you can see this. The same thing is here. So if I start simulation, so you can see that so the proximity sensor, actually it's not working, so I think so. Okay, I will show you then one more diagram. So many diagram, actually you can save it in any one of your circuit. Are you clear, ma? So whatever the system you are seeing, the same thing will be applied in your login. So whenever you are free, you can see and how it is working and all, you can able to understand. So kindly do all kind of thing. And the vibration sensor. See, vibration sensor. Now only today, Amurdam Harshavardham and explained how the vibration sensor is working. So you have seen one more project is related to vibration sensor. So you just see. So I have to create a vibration, then automatically the sensor will activate it. I think the vibration. This is potentiometer. Okay, it's not so. Okay, so my advice is kindly create your own circuit and try to check whether it is working or not. It will automatically work, ma. So no problem on that. Uh, you have to tinker this means then automatically it will come in your animation. Actually we have a 3D design also, that is not needed for you. Always look on the circuit design, then it is easy for you to that then image will be automatically loaded there. I think this and all 3D design. We don't need a 3D design. You just go to the circuits and see what are the circuits are there. You can save along with that. Okay, I think vibration sensor, vibration motor is there. We will see. So why today I didn't touch the fourth unit now? Yeah, vibration. If I'm creating the vibration, you have seen it is measuring the voltage. So where is no vibration, the voltage is around 0 volt. But if there is any vibration, the voltage is around 3.97 volt. So here I have used the NPN transistor. So it will amplify it and it's giving the voltage here. So you have seen negative is connected to the ground of the microcontroller, and positive is connected to the terminal. It's nothing but a emitter. Collector I have given to the supply, and base I have given to the digital pin. So you have it, the coding is very simple coding. You just see, only thing is I have to create a delay high and delay low. So whenever my third pin delay high is there, that means automatically I have to understand that my vibrating sensor is working. If not so, my vibrating sensor is off. So vibrating sensor is on means it is generating around 4 volt. Vibrating sensor is off now, it is generating only 0 volt or millivolt range. So today Amrita Harshavardhan have explained that whenever vibrating sensor is working, then automatically what happen? The message will be transmitted to the PIC microcontroller. Through that, it will be transmitted to the web portal through Raspberry Pi and all. So this is the vibration sensor. You have seen that I have used one transistor. This is to amplify the signal because the vibration sensor is very low. So this is the way you people kindly go and search this project. Are you clear, ma'am? Can you understand that? Kindly tell your feedback, because actually I want to do it in more. But the only thing is, even though you are not in a person, so I have taken some examples in online. Okay, so yesterday one of your friends have told you the another software, but even though it is very user friendly, you need not to pay any amount. You need not to. Arduino processor cost is around 3,000, but here you are seeing just simply picking the Arduino and you are connecting. So you can do it in real time and you can observe how it is working or not. So anyone kindly tell about this, whether it is any doubt on this, kindly tell, ma. Kindly tell. Yes. Yes, anyone, ma? So far I have explained ultrasonic sensor, PAR sensor, vibration sensor and all we have seen. Any feedback? Nearly 20 participants are there. Yes, Jay Prakash.
Ma'am, it was good, but the thing was,
Ah.
we cannot use the sensors which we wanted to use, ma'am. That the thing was, we cannot. Is there any current sensor like that, ma'am? Current and voltage sensors.
Current and voltage sensor in sense means, you all know current and voltage, we don't need a sensor for that. Can you understand or not? If voltage goes beyond that limit, then automatically the particular sensor we can able to, vibration sensor is there, but vibration sensor we are not going to measure the vibration. So that's why we put one transistor will amplify that. Whenever vibration sensor is on, 5 volt will be, or around 3 volt will be generated. Whenever vibration is not generated, there is no vibration in the sensor, 0 volt or millivolt range. Can you understand? So
Yes,
I can use the sensor, along with that I can use any amplifying devices like a transistor or operational amplifier I can use.
oscillator.
Okay, so what you do, people, kindly search Tinkercad gallery of things in the website. So you will get so many circuits. So one thing is that you have to create a Tinkercad account. So to that you give Tinkercad in Google search, you just give join now. In join now you give sign in with Google. So take any one of your account and sign in with Google. So automatically you have a Tinkercad is generated for you. Then you generate that. Okay. So tomorrow, I think next level of thing is I won't give you the embedded project. Okay, embedded PPT. I will stop this and everyone has to do one Tinkercad experiment. Are you clear? You have to show your output. That is the way I have to give you. Okay, that will simulate your knowledge also. So I think whatever I have seen in the Tinkercad, I have explained you. So PIA sensor, wherever yesterday I have explained the smart home automation. Even if you see the in Tinkercad, ma, I will show you what are the thing available. Basic, if I take all, if I take that, so many sensors are available. So you just see photoelectric, photodiode, ambient light sensor, IR sensor, PIR sensor is there, tilt sensor is there. So can you understand or not? So gas sensor. Yesterday also I have explained you with some gas smoking and all. I think you people have remember that I have connected one gas sensor. So go to circuits and search, ma. So here you see the gas sensor is there. Okay, I will give a simulate option. So it will be automatically loaded. Even I have done this 10 months before. Still you see, after 10 months also your sensor, this circuit is available. So you need not to search anywhere. Oh my God. Uh, So when I give the start simulation button, okay, you can see this how the gas sensor will detect. So here I didn't connect anything. So whenever my gas sensor is creating the gas smoke, then automatically it will turn off the LED. So I have to connect one LED and I can do that. So if I want to put any coding, you press the code. Okay, I have just to create that, I have simply written only small program. You all know here this will support only assembly language C programming. Are you clear, ma? So I think so tomorrow Thursday, Harshavardhan, register number 34, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan, where you went? Isa Dagamad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow Thursday you will have to take a class. Are you clear, ma? So
Okay.
okay. So I will take Harshavardhan. Where you went, man? He said that he is having a laptop with him. How he is listening, I don't know. So okay, I will read out the names who are all present alone. Okay, register number 3, register number 7, register number 19, and register number 30, 34, 36, 39, 44, 47, 51, 65, 65, 69, 70, 72, 70,
Ma'am, 69 right, ma'am.
I am saying only present. Who are all present only I am reading. You are
Okay.
not in the class. Huh?
No, ma'am, I am in the class.
74, 76, 87, 93, 951. And any more students? 702. Okay. So these are all the students. Who are all I have read your register number. Today, why I didn't conduct Kahotna? Only less strength is there. Okay. So probably when this will over, ma? Or else tomorrow I'll take the class. When
They're
this
saying tomorrow, ma'am.
tomorrow it will be over.
Yes, ma'am. I actually yesterday only lost, ma'am. But they sent it mail to them, ma'am. Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow first ever I'm having class. Izad and Harshavardhan, register number 34. Register number 34. Still now he's not
Yes,
at.
ma'am.
Where you went while I'm calling your name first?
Sleeping.
Sleeping,
No, ma'am.
Harshav,
I was unmuting and you're pressing to unmute request.
that's
it-
now happening only. Now only. Okay, tomorrow you and Izad has to take a seminar. Anyone have prepared? No problem. You kindly present because I'm noting who are all present. Everyone have to take. When it goes
Also,
the time. Okay, and one more thing. Tomorrow, today only the last day to submit the assignment. Only I have received some 21 assignments. So kindly submit at the earliest. Okay. Whoever submitting because today you can't able to copy part B question I gave you in the way if any question is repeatedly I have seen, definitely the mark will be reduced. You all know based on your internal quiz assignment only, your internal marks will be decided. So please write uniquely and submit. Okay. So you part B question only I need a block diagram along with the explanation. That's it. That's it I need. Okay. So thank you, students. So we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, ma.